Australia is a diverse and vast country located in the southern hemisphere, comprising the mainland of the Australian continent, the island of Tasmania, and numerous smaller islands. World's sixth largest country by total area, covering approximately 2.97 million square miles, 7.68 million square kilometers. It is surrounded by the Indian Ocean to the west and the Pacific Ocean to the east. To the north, it shares maritime borders with Indonesia, East Timor, and Papua New Guinea, while to the southeast, it is separated from New Zealand by the Tasman Sea. The capital city of Australia is Canberra, while the largest city is Sydney, followed by Melbourne, Brisbane, Perth, and Adelaide. Canberra is unique in that it was purpose-built as the capital and is located between Sydney and Melbourne. Australia had a population of around 25 million people. The population is known for its diversity, with a significant percentage of the population being immigrants or descendants of immigrants from various countries around the world. Australia is a parliamentary democracy and a constitutional monarchy. English is the official language. The head of state is Queen Elizabeth II or descendants of the United Kingdom, represented in Australia by the Governor-General. Strong and developed economy, with key industries including mining, especially coal, iron ore, and natural gas, agriculture, particularly wheat and beef production, manufacturing, services, and tourism. It is known for its diverse art scene, sporting culture, particularly cricket and Australian rules football, and a unique wildlife heritage. Australia boasts stunning natural landmarks and landscapes, including the Great Barrier Reef, Uluru, Ayers Rock, the Sydney Opera House, the 12 Apostles, the Blue Mountains, and the Daintree Rainforest. The country's vast and varied terrain includes deserts, rainforests, mountains, and coastal regions. Experiences a wide range of climates, from tropical in the north to arid in the interior and temperate along the coasts. The southern regions, including Sydney and Melbourne, have distinct seasons, while the northern regions have a wet and dry season. Country is a popular tourist destination, attracting visitors with its natural beauty, outdoor activities, and vibrant cities. Tourists come to explore its national parks, dive the Great Barrier Reef, visit iconic landmarks, and experience its diverse culture. The Great Barrier Reef, located off the coast of Queensland, is the world's largest coral reef system. It's so large that it can be seen from space. It's also a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a popular destination for divers and snorkelers. Landscapes vary greatly, from the arid outback and vast deserts like the Simpson Desert to lush rainforests, beautiful beaches, and snowy mountains in regions such as the Australian Alps. Home to unique plant life, including eucalyptus trees, which are the main food source for koalas, and the distinctive Wallamai pine, often called a living fossil as it was thought to be extinct for millions of years. Melbourne, the capital of Victoria, has the largest Greek population of any city in the world outside of Greece, which is reflected in its vibrant Greek culture and cuisine. Australia has multiple time zones, with Western Australia being up to 3 hours behind the eastern states. Australia has the world's longest fence, known as the Dingo Fence, which stretches over 5,600 kilometers, 3,480 miles, across the country to protect agricultural land from dingoes, wild dogs. The kangaroo is often considered an unofficial national symbol of Australia. Kangaroos are featured on the Australian coat of arms and are widely associated with the country. The emu is another native Australian bird and is often paired with the kangaroo on the Australian coat of arms. Emus are flightless birds and are known for their long legs and swift running abilities. If you would like to stay updated with more informative content, consider subscribing to our channel and turning on the notification bell. By subscribing, you'll never miss any of our future videos.